Convert the mixed number to improper fraction. For us to convert mixed number to improper fraction, we first have to know what is a mixed number and what is an improper fraction. Let's have here an example of a mixed number. We have here 7 and 3 all over 5. This 7 here is the whole number, and the 3 over 5, this is a fraction. So a mixed number is a whole number with a fraction. Other examples of mixed number, we have 2 and 3 over 4. We also have 1 and 2/3, 10 and 4 over 9. We have 15 and 1 over 5, and the list goes on. These are some examples of mixed numbers. Let us now proceed to improper fraction. What is an improper fraction? A fraction is said to be improper if its numerator is bigger than its denominator. For example, we have here 5 all over 2. 5 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator. As you can see, our numerator is bigger or larger than the denominator. This is an example of an improper fraction. Let's have other examples of improper fraction. We have here 9 all over 5, 7 all over 3, 12 all over 6, 15 all over, let's say, 11, and the list goes on. These are examples of improper fractions. Let's now have an example on how to convert mixed number to improper fraction. Our given example here is 7 and 3 all over 5. So to convert mixed number to improper fraction, let's have this example. 7, which is the whole number, and 3 over 5, which is the fraction. To convert this, there are rules to follow. The first rule is to find the new numerator. We are going first to multiply the old denominator. So to find for the new numerator, we will multiply the old denominator. We will multiply this by the whole number, and their product will be added by the old numerator. And the new denominator would still be the old denominator. Just copy the old denominator. So we will have here the old denominator is 5. This will be multiplied by the whole number, which is 7, and their product will be added by the old numerator, which is 3. And the new denominator would still be equal to the old denominator. Just copy that. And we have here 5 multiplied by 7, that is equal to 35, plus 3 all over 5. And we have here 35 plus 3, that is 38 divided by 5. And our numerator now is bigger than the denominator. This is now our final answer.